Now imagine I add the job details in my Google Sheets and automatically for that particular job, a post like this on my company profile on my LinkedIn, this post is created that we are hiring, this is the new job opening for the specific title, this is the role, everything is mentioned right here, and a structured post like this is forwarded on my LinkedIn profile. Now adding the post manually is a very time consuming part. So here is where the setup comes in. Now let me tell you the benefits of the setup. Automatic post creation is done on LinkedIn for the new job openings. And with that, you will find the record of all the job openings in one tabular format in Google Sheets. Instead of manually creating the post in LinkedIn directly, add the data in Google Sheets. You will get the record of the job opening with all the details. With that, automated post creation is also created. So there are two benefits: structured format and automatic post creation. Now in this video, I will show you how this entire setup is created without need of any coding and programming skills. First of all, let me show you how this setup actually works. I will enter a new job profile details in Google Sheets in front of you and then check whether that post is created on my LinkedIn profile or not. So let me add in a new job position that's opening in my company detail right here. I've entered the details. You can see this is the ID. The title is for customer support executive. Handle customer queries through calls, emails, and chats. This is the required skill. Job mode is remote. Location India. Job type full-time. 0 to 2 years of experience. 4 to 5 LPA from test account. Test account is the hiring manager. So as now I've added the details, if I'm going to open my LinkedIn profile and this is my company's profile, I'll refresh this page from here. You will see an automated post creation for this same post is created for customer support executive. The same ID, we are hiring, join our team. Details, remote, India, full-time, 0 to 2 years, 4.4 to 5 LPA. Same role, same required skill, hiring manager as test account. If you have the skills and passion to excel in this role, we are here to hire you. So you can see right over here, this automated post is successfully created on my LinkedIn company profile as soon as I've added the detail of the new job opening in my Google Sheets. So this is how this amazing setup is going to work in real time, and it's very easy to create. Stay tuned till the end of this video. The creation of the setup is going to be under few minutes. So now without wasting any time, let's create this setup without need of any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Open a new tab and search for www.pabbly.com/connect. You will come to the landing page just like this. Now if you're logging in for the first time, simply sign up for free from here directly. You will receive 100 free tasks every month. Using the 100 tasks, you can create the setup that I will teach you in this video right away, absolutely for free without paying any cost. And then if you are planning to purchase our yearly or lifetime plans to get unlimited features, discounts, and access to multiple other features, for that you can purchase our yearly or lifetime plan by using the code on the left side of my screen, with the help of which you will get amazing and instant discounts. Go ahead, use the code, purchase our plans, and automate your business workflows. Now I have already logged into my Pabbly Connect account and I am on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to create a new workflow, go to this create workflow option and select the option of create using quick builder. Now over here, using this workflow builder, you give a prompt towards AI. AI analyzes your request and generates the workflow template for you. So I will enter my request right here. Post job listings on LinkedIn from Google Sheets automatically. This is my request, a very simple request. In my Google Sheets, as soon as the new data is added, automatically in my LinkedIn profile, a company text post should be created. Approve, create, and open this workflow from here. After doing that, the template will be created in front of you. If you want the same template that you can see on the screen, check out the workflow link in the description section. Let's set up our trigger right over here. Copy this URL of this Google Sheets step and open your Google Sheets that you want to connect. From the panel, go to extensions, add-ons, and get add-ons option. You will come to this window. On this window, on the search apps bar, you need to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and install this application. It's free to install. After installing, go back and refresh the spreadsheet from here. After refreshing the spreadsheet, you have to go towards extensions and Pabbly Connect Webhooks. You will see this option after that and select the option of initial setup. The dialog box of initial setup is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. For the webhook URL field, you need to paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided you. And the trigger column says the trigger column will be your final data column on which of the data is added. The whole of that raw data will be sent to the webhook URL. In the spreadsheet, my trigger column is going to be column J. Next to salary, I've entered the hiring manager as well. That is the final data column in which I'm adding my last data, and I want that as soon as I add in that data, the entire row's data should be forwarded towards the Pabbly Connect's URL. So I'm going to write over here trigger column as column J and click on this submit button. It says setup configured successfully. Now go back. One very important step is left, that is go back to extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and click on the send on event option. As soon as you will add in the data of the new job opening of your company right over here, the spreadsheet is instantly going to share that new data to Pabbly Connect. New data to Pabbly Connect. That is why it is mandatory to click on send on event. In the trigger, click on the recapture button and click on this yes button, because now we are going to test whether Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect or not. For that, I will add in the new job profile details in the spreadsheet in front of you and check whether the trigger captures the response of that same data that I've added or not. So let me add in the details. So I've added all the details. This is the ID. It's for digital marketing executive, plan and execute digital marketing campaigns, manage social media platforms, analyze performance matrix. You can see right over here, this is the required skill. It's a hybrid job from Bangalore, full-time, 1 to 3 years of experience, 6 to 10 LPA for demo user. So as you can see right over here, I've added the details. You can see in the trigger also the response of the same thing is captured. It's a hybrid job. It's for 6 to 10 LPA. You can see right over here, this is the required skills. It's in Bangalore, full-time digital marketing executive, the same ID with the same description, demo user, 1 to 3 year of experience. So as now the response has been captured over here in the trigger, this means that Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now we have the job role details. Let's add that as a post in our LinkedIn profile. Click on this connect button, go towards this add new connection option and click on this connect with LinkedIn button. Now over here we have to enter our LinkedIn profile password and the connection will be created. So let me enter the password right over here. I have entered the password. I will sign in from here and you will see automatically the connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect is going to be created. Refresh the fields once after that. Now we need to select the organization in which you want to create the job post. I have created this organization in my LinkedIn profile in the name of PabCon. So I'm going to go back and select this organization from here. Now we have to enter the content. Content is going to be the content that I want to post. So I want to post this content. So I will simply copy this entire format because this is the exact format that I want to post. I'm going to paste it right here. Okay. Now we have to enter the job title first. Now for the data of this field, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Where I want to map the data, I will add a slash and search for what? The title. Now this is the title that I want to create the post on. So I'll select the data from my previous response and clearly you can see this data right here has been mapped. And as we have mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response will be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this map data. In the similar manner, I will map the data of all the fields like the ID and other things right over here and show you the final content that I will be posting. Okay. So this is, you can see the entire content that I want to post. Okay. Now I'm going to add in the URL of my website right over here. You can also do that. Now next for the article URL, I will enter the URL of my website right over here so that they will be forwarded to the website that I have. I will write www.pabbly.com/connect. Now for the title over here, I will write over here as new job opening. Now this is the title. If you want to add in the description, you can do that as well. I don't require that, so I'll skip the part. Visibility is going to be the public of this post and simply click on the save and send test request button where I've received this ID, which is a positive response. In this same organization page, if I'll refresh, you will see the same post of digital marketing executive is going to be created on this page right here. So this is the new post that is created for digital marketing executive. This is the ID. It's via hiring, join our team. You can see the entire same details has been created as a post in my LinkedIn profile. So as now the post has been created successfully, this entire setup is now created. Now whenever you will add in the data of new job opening in your Google Sheets, automatically the structured post on my LinkedIn profile will be shared. Now if you have any questions or doubts related to the setup, comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. With that, if you want to purchase a yearly or lifetime plan, to use the code on the left side of my screen. The same code is in the description section. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple several other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.